Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to set different keyboard keys to perform different system functions in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and the Google search to search for one application named as Shampoo Action Click. On the first list you'll see its official website. Just click on it. Now click on this download option. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Just double click it to run this software installer. Click on agree and install. So finally you can see installation has been completed. So now just double click on this Shampoo Action Click icon. Now just click on this plus button. Now just click on this plus icon again and give any group name. On the right side, once again click on this plus button, click on this new button. Now here you will see on the left side tons of various options, so we'll go through it one by one. So the first option is for the system option. So first you can see shutdown, reboot system, log off, delay, action click, close, open, action click. So you can select any one of it. And next option is a clipboard. So under the clipboard you can see the various options. Next option is a typing. So under the typing you can see the various options. Next option is a web. Under the web you will see here. Next option is the audio, so you can play audio, pause, stop, continue audio. And next option is a file and folder. You can open folder or open file. Next option is a disk drive, open disk drive or close disk drive. Next option is a keyboard, so you can see here simulate buttons, restart graphics driver, create screenshot. Next option is a mouse, move mouse, left click and right click. And the last option is the program. So here I'm gonna select this start program. Just click on it and now just click on this select a program. So you can select any program present on your respective Windows computer. So I'm gonna select this PC and click on confirm. You can add multiple options here if you want. You can just click on this start program and you can select the respective program if you want to add multiple programs. So right now I will just select one program. On the above we'll see here hotkey option. Just click on it here and just press a respective key on your computer keyboard. So I'm gonna use the space key. So you can see I've set the space key, and now let us rename here. Let me give a name here. So once you're done with your settings, you can see here save option. Just click on it. So now you can just minimize it, and now if I press a space key on my computer keyboard, then it will open this PC, which is a file explorer. So it's working perfectly. So in order to set different keyboard keys to perform different functions, you can follow the same method which I have shown you right now. And if you want to disable it, just click on this taskbar trim menu icon and just right mouse click on this action click icon and click on exit. So by using this cool application named as Shampoo Action Click, you can easily set different keyboard keys to perform different system functions in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.